Did you know that 4 out of 5 dogs over the age of 3 have gum disease, and that tartar buildup can be a contributing factor? Now there's a solution: doggy dentures. If your dog is suffering from unsightly tartar buildup, try doggy dentures.
You're kidding, right? Just give me Dentastix, the treat with the unique X shape that's clinically proven to reduce up to 80% of tartar buildup. Dentastix from Pedigree.
Ladies and gentlemen, the birthday lady. Happy birthday to you. Yan na si birthday lady.
Formalan ba ito? Formalan ba? Oo, alis na ako.
Okay. At samantala, ito po ang mga nagsisipaghintay ng Starbucks. Oo, yan po naghihintay ng Starbucks yan.
Ay naku, pag nagkaroon ng treat ngayong araw na to.
Ayan. Yan. Okay.
Kasi pagbalik ko may treat ah. Tacloban. Exciting. Yun yung tofu, all expensive.
Ladies and gentlemen, the birthday lady.
Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Wish. Okay, sige, game.
Boyfriend ko.
Yan, okay. Very good. Okay. So, yan po ang... Oo.
Ay, wag na natin ano yan para sa atin na next. Yan para sa atin na next.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Ayos. Very good. Oo, okay. Yeah. Nawala si friendship. Mali. Oo, nawala si friendship. Ayan na. Friendship. Ayan. Yan na po, friendship. Okay, yan po. Oo. Made in Singapore yan. Oo, made in Singapore yan. Okay.
Sexy na si friendship. I-focus din.
Oo nga. Oo. Yan.
Focus din si friendship o anong sexy.
friendship.
Ay, tita.
Asan si ano? Telenovela. Wow. Uy, okay. Ka-friendship lahat to.
Hindi ah.
Hanap tayo ng mabibiktima natin.
Pwede ilagay mo dyan yung bag ko. Tapos ipatong mo yung bag ko sa bag. Uy! May ano?
Yan.
Lovers,